Hello, good morning everyone. I hope you all are fine at home and enjoying your learning every day. So class, now it's time to begin with our today's classes. So let's first see what is the date today. So today is 1st March 2021. Yes class, now the third month of the year has begun today and the day is Monday. Okay, so on Monday our first class is maths class, isn't it? What are we going to do today? Something new, but not exactly new. We have already done this, but it's like with some other topic. Okay, in maths we are doing it for first time. Today we are going to learn about two spaces or the two places I can say, that means above and below. कि जब हम अपने ऑब्जेक्ट्स को किन दो जगहों पे रख के उनको उनकी जगह के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं. Clear everyone? So the topic of our today's learning is above and below. Let's start with the topic. You all must have seen stairs. सीढ़ियां सबने देखी है, isn't it? आपके घर पे भी होंगी. You must be climbing them up and coming down. उसी को यूज करके हम ऊपर भी जाते हैं, नीचे भी आते हैं, isn't it? So ये ऊपर जाना और नीचे आना is what we are going to learn today. Clear? तो जब आप फ्लोर पे खड़े हैं, जब आप आपके घर पे खड़े हो फ्लोर पे and you are climbing the stairs, इस तरह के हम स्टेयर्स को क्लाइंब करते हैं, तो हम कहाँ जाते हैं? टेरेस पे जाना है, आपको अपने घर के छत पे जाना है, तो आप क्या करोगे? आप स्टेयर्स यूज करोगे, सीढ़ियां यूज करोगे. सीढ़ी यूज करके आप कहाँ चले गए? ऊपर चले गए. सो दैट इज अबव. अबव मीन्स ऊपर. और जब आप ऊपर हो और मम्मा ने बोला अरे भाई बस हो गया, नीचे आ जाओ, अपनी प्ले करना, अब आ जाओ नीचे, विल हैव आवर स्नैक्स, मिल्क एंड ऑल, तो आप क्या करोगे? यू विल अगेन यूज द सेम स्टेयर्स, बट उस टाइम आप क्या कर रहे हो? आप ऐसे वन वन करके नीचे आ रहे हो, तो दैट इज कमिंग डाउन. अबव. अबव का मतलब क्या होता है? ऊपर. और बिलो का मतलब होता है नीचे. मम्मी ये तो नहीं कहती ना बिलो आ जाओ, मम्मी कहती है नीचे आ जाओ. सो दैट मीन्स आप ऊपर हो, अब आपको नीचे आना है. सो ऊपर के लिए हम यूज करते हैं अबव और नीचे के लिए बोलते हैं बिलो. क्लियर? ये मैम ने आपको एक एग्जाम्पल से बताया है, बिकॉज स्टेयर्स इज समथिंग यू आर यूजिंग एवरी डे, बट व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑब्जेक्ट्स then we can say it in a better way. अब देखिए, now if you will see here, I have one box here, isn't it? एक rectangular box है, a hat is there and a ball is here. तो अब मैम आपसे पूछे what is above the box? बॉक्स के above क्या रखा है? above means, बस आपको यही वर्ड के मीनिंग्स याद रखने हैं. above means ऊपर and below means नीचे. so what is above the box? hat above है. hat कहाँ है? above है. this is above. ये ऊपर है बॉक्स के and this is below. क्योंकि ये कहाँ है? नीचे है बॉक्स के. तो जब भी आपको चीजों को उनकी स्पेस, उनकी प्लेस बताने के लिए कंपेयर करना होगा, तो आपको बोला जाएगा कि किस ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर और किस ऑब्जेक्ट के नीचे बताना है. दैट मीन्स 3 ऑब्जेक्ट्स तो होंगे, वन टू बी यूज्ड कि किसके ऊपर है और किसके नीचे है. क्लियर एवरीवन? You just need to keep one thing in your mind, that is above means और below means नीचे. Now see, where is the mango? अब आप मैम को बताइए, उस वाले जो stairs वाला हमारी पिक्चर है, where is the mango? Mango is kept above the stairs, isn't it? Stair के ऊपर रखा है, सबसे ऊपर, यहाँ पे टॉप पे रखा हुआ है. So it is above. If I ask you, where are grapes? Below. Grapes are below. Stairs के नीचे हैं. Clear? So above means when something is kept ऊपर. ऊपर के लिए you will always use above. Clear? And below मतलब जो नीचे होते हैं. Similarly, as I told you, hat is above the box, ball is below the box. And if we talk of these pictures, this top is above the box and socks below the box. Clear? तो above का होता है जब कोई चीज ऊपर की तरफ रखी हो, और below होता है जब कुछ चीज हमने किसी चीज के नीचे रखते हैं, उसको below कहते हैं. ओके ऑल. अब आप बताइए, where are you keeping your laptops or mobiles or your computers? टेबल के ऊपर, above the table, है ना, ऊपर, टेबल के ऊपर रखते हो. और when we talk about कि what is kept below the table, टेबल के नीचे क्या रखा होता है? All other things, like when we sit, our legs are below the table. टेबल के नीचे होती है हमारी legs, isn't it? So above means ऊपर और below means नीचे. Clear everyone? Now let's see few examples in the book which will make you more clear about the topic. And your today's homework is again something very interesting. So now you have to open your book for classwork. Book page number 97 as your classwork and 98 and 99 as your today's homework. So all of you please open your book on page number 97 and let's see what work we are going to do there related to our today's topic, above and below. So one last time, can anyone tell me what is the meaning of above? Upar. And what is the meaning of below? Below means नीचे. Clear? So now open your books and let's see how to do the work there. So class, now when you will open your maths book on page number 97, you will find the topic above and below. So as I told you, above means ऊपर and below means नीचे. Is that clear? So now we have some work given here. A worksheet is given. Let's see what we have to do in it. First is you are going to write today's date. So let's write that. 1st March 2021 and mention classwork here. Understood all? Now it is said, what it says, color the things that are above the square red and below the square yellow. That means, can you see the pictures here? There are 4 boxes given and in them few pictures are given. सबसे पहले क्या बोला है? कलर द थिंग्स अबव द स्क्वायर. आप देख रहे हैं हर सेट में हमें एक स्क्वायर दिया हुआ है. तो जो अबव है स्क्वायर के, अबव मीन्स ऊपर, you have to color them red and below द स्क्वायर येलो, तो जो स्क्वायर के बिलो हैं उन्हें वी आर गोइंग टू कलर येलो, एंड द वन विच आर अबव द स्क्वायर वी आर गोइंग टू कलर देम रेड. क्लियर? सो इफ वी टॉक ऑफ द फर्स्ट हियर, दिस इज द स्क्वायर गिवन. अब स्क्वायर के अबव क्या है? एप्पल. एप्पल इज अबव द स्क्वायर, स्क्वायर के ऊपर है. सो व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू? You are going to color the apple. So use your pencil colors and like this you will color this apple. So again I am asking you, what is the meaning of above? ऊपर. तो यहाँ पे जितने भी objects above हैं we have to color them all with red color. Done? Now it is said below the square yellow, यानी कि स्क्वायर के बिलो. सो बिलो इज नीचे, तो जो स्क्वायर के बिलो हैं यू आर गोइंग टू कलर देम विद येलो कलर. सो लेट्स टेक अ येलो कलर एंड कलर दिस मैंगो. Because mango is below, so we are coloring it with yellow color, and mangoes are always yellow in color, isn't it? So like this you will do your coloring in apple and mango. So apple we have done red because it is above the square, and mango yellow because it is below the square. Now let's see the next picture. In the next we have, this is the square. So we have a car above the square and a bus below the square. So now tell me, what color you are going to do in the car? Make sure car is above the square. Just see where the car is. Above the square. Above me we have to do red color. So let's color our car red. अब ये देखिए, इसमें जो हमारे ग्लास पोर्शन है उनमें कलर नहीं होगा. सो बी वेरी केयरफुल व्हाइल यू विल डू द कलरिंग वर्क. डोंट कलर दीज बॉक्सेस, दे आर ग्लास. ग्लास पे तो कभी कोई कलर नहीं होता ना. सो लाइक दिस यू विल डू योर कलरिंग वर्क नीटली. And tires are always black. So what we'll do, we'll take black color for tires. Like this. Done? Now the object that is below the square, what is that? It's a bus. So we are going to color this bus with yellow color. If you have ever seen a school bus on road, you will find all the school buses are yellow in color. So now we are going to color our school bus using yellow color. Again, don't color the tires, okay, and don't color this door and window. Like this you will color your school bus. And after coloring the bus, again take black color for tires. Like this. Clear? Now next we are given is a rose and a sunflower. So can you tell me where the rose is? Is it above the box or below the box? It's above the box. So we'll color this rose flower with red color. Like this you will take red color and you will color your rose flower. And stem and leaves are always green in color. So take green color for that. Clear? Next we have is a sunflower. So sunflower is below the box. So which color you are going to do? Yellow color. So you will color all the petals of the sunflower with yellow color. Like this. Then little bit black in the middle. And green for the stem. See how beautiful the worksheet is looking? How colorful it is looking, isn't it? Now last we have is a shirt and a frock. So can you tell me red color किस में होगा? Shirt में. Why? Because it is above the box. So take your red color pencil and color this shirt. Like this. Clear? And the frog, as it is below the box, so we'll do it with yellow color. So class, this is how you are going to do your today's classwork, where you are going to color all the objects above the box with red color. Can you see? Apple, rose, car and shirt. Red in color because they are above the box, above the square. Then mango, bus, sunflower and this frog is yellow in color because they are below. Clear? Now let's see our today's homework. So when you will turn the page to 98, you will find front and back. So front means सामने or back means पीछे. It's very easy to do this. Let's first write down the date. 1st March 2021 and it's your homework. So page number 98 and page number 99 both are your homework. Again write down date and mention homework. Clear? What you will do, you will match the front part of a picture with its back part. Let's see them once. Can you see a boy here? Then we have a car. Then we have an uncle, a man and a woman. अब आप बताइए ये boy who is wearing a cap, उसका back part कैसा होगा? For this you can see yourself in the mirror. फ्रंट भी देख सकते हो और आप अपना बैक भी थोड़ा सा फेस को टिल्ट करके देखेंगे. यू कैन सी योर बैक साइड ऑल्सो. सो हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू डू? यू आर गोइंग टू डू इट लाइक दिस. यू विल मैच द फ्रंट एंड बैक लुक ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स यूजिंग योर कलर पेंसिल्स. सो लाइक दिस. देन अ कार. पापा की कार आगे से और पीछे से देखना. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस इन देयर अपीयरेंस? लेट्स मैच देम. This is how you will do your work. So again a woman and a man. Mama को देखना, mama का front और mama का back. You'll be able to do this. Clear? And on the other page you have something similar for animals. Try to do it. It's very easy. So I hope you have understood your classwork where you are going to do this worksheet of above and below. Above is ऊपर, below is नीचे. And your homework where you will do the worksheet for front and back. Page number 98 and 99. Clear everyone? So both your classwork where you are going to color the objects. तो जो above है you are going to color them red और जो below है उनको हमने color करना है yellow से. Rather we have done that. And your homework where you have seen the two sides of same object, that is front and back. तो जब भी मैम बोर्ड पे लिखती है you can see my back and when ma'am is talking to you you can see my front face, isn't it? So front and back I have told you, I have shown you one or two examples also. So now it's time for you to finish your both homework and classwork and share that with me. Okay? And after doing your work, get ready for your today's next class. Bye for now. Take care.